Now let's look at the news in detail. Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Haq favours the introduction of railways to Khasi and Jaintia Hills. He told reporters that development will come to Meghalaya through railways and hence he wants goods train, passenger train or even toy trains in Meghalaya which can contribute to the development of the state. The work of Tetelia-Barnihat railway project has remained stalled for the past many years due to opposition from the pressure groups. They want the government to first put in place a mechanism to check the influx of illegal immigrants before introducing railways.
The development should come. The train should come, whether it's a good train or toy train or the passenger train, it should come for the development of the states. But my opinion is very clear. We want development for the state of Meghalaya. We want employment for the state of Meghalaya. We want resources, revenue for the state of Meghalaya.
Cabinet Minister